This is IMAT 2021, question 25. So our question is, which is correct for cholesterol in humans? And we have 5 different statements that it could be. First of all, does cholesterol maintain membrane fluidity? Well, a good question to ask first would be, is cholesterol found in the membranes? And yes, it is. It's one of the components of our membrane. If we take a look at our phospholipid bilayer here, we can find cholesterol just sitting in our membrane. But what does it do here? Does it have a role in maintaining membrane fluidity? Well, yes, it does. It can destabilize our lipid tails here to make the membrane more fluid. If, say, the cell gets really cold, we need the membrane to be more fluid. And it can also stabilize the phospholipid heads at the top to prevent it being overfluid. So if it's too hot and all these things are moving around a lot, it can stabilize these to make things more fluid. So it does maintain membrane fluidity. So our answer is A, but let's take a look at the other statements to see if why they're incorrect. So B is that it's a good source of energy because of the number of hydrogen atoms in cholesterol. Well, we know that cholesterol is needed in the body, for example, for membrane fluidity. It's not actually broken down for energy. And also, the amount of hydrogen something has is not an indicative of a good energy source. So this is incorrect. C states that cholesterol works by transporting fatty acids around the body. Well, is this correct? Well, cholesterol itself is a fatty acid. It is a lipid. And it does not transport fatty acids. That's the role of albumin, which moves fatty acids around the body. And lipoproteins are another transport molecule, which is the same as albumin for fatty acids. Lipoproteins are for cholesterol. So cholesterol has no role in moving fatty acids around the body. It is itself a fatty acid, which is transported by a different molecule. So again, this one is incorrect. D states that cholesterol is used to make all hormones. Now, we've already said that cholesterol is a fatty acid. It's also type of a steroid. It's needed to make steroid hormones like testosterone and things like that. However, there is another type of hormone which it cannot make, and that's the peptide hormones. Cholesterol is not a peptide in any way. It cannot make peptide hormones such as insulin. So this is also incorrect. E states that cholesterol forms hydrogen bonds with water, which can help stabilize the membrane. I've already discussed, it actually binds to the phospholipids in the membrane to help stabilise it and also interacts with the fatty acid tails. Cholesterol is found firmly inside the membrane, not outside, and there is no water in the membrane, as that would really destabilise things and cause the cells to lyse. So this is also incorrect, leaving us with our final answer of A.